We are going to find the difference quotient for the given function. Now, in a difference quotient, we're typically given f of x. That is going to go right here in our formula. What we need to find first is this f of x plus h. So that's just function notation. Anytime we're plugging anything in for x into this function, we just plug that number or that value or whatever it is in for x right here. So if we want f of x plus h, we are just going to copy this thing down, and in place of the x, we're going to put what's in parentheses here, an x plus h in this case. Now we may as well simplify this now. X plus h squared is x plus h times x plus h. Don't forget, we need to FOIL this thing out, or distribute. That's going to give us x squared plus the outer terms give us an xh, the inner terms give us another xh, and the last two terms are going to give us an h squared. One step at a time here. I am just going to combine my like terms. I have two xh's inside these parentheses. And I'm going to distribute this 6 through the parentheses. Okay, we were given f of x. Now we found and simplified our f of x plus h. Let's plug both of these into our formula for our difference quotient. There's our difference quotient formula. Let's plug in f of x plus h. And let's plug in f of x. Now all we have left to do is to simplify. You'll notice that the 6x squared and the negative 6x squared cancel. You'll notice that the negative 1 and the positive 1 cancel. When doing these difference quotients, things should be simplifying. If they don't, something's probably gone wrong. This is what we're left with in the numerator, and we're experts at factoring, so we can factor what we can out of this numerator. It looks like a 6h is our greatest common factor, leaving us with a 2x plus h and an h in the denominator still. At this point, we are allowed to cancel this h in the denominator with this factor h in the numerator, and we should have our final answer now. There it is. We just found the difference quotient for the function 6x squared minus 1, and it turned out to be 6 times the quantity 2x plus h.